Today I'm talking about another book, unfortunately another Italian book. Of course I read also in English, but of course Italian is my mother tongue, so of course I'm reading also Italian. And by the way, I didn't find a lot of studies like psychological studies or something like that in English. Probably I didn't do my research very well. But anyway, this is from Fulvio Tassi. He's a teacher of psychology at the University of Florence. And this book is Il Rinascimento del Tatuaggio, the Renaissance of tattooing, and the psychological meaning of this ancient art. I didn't like it very much, not just because, well, let's say that in my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, but it seems that he did his research from a computer. It seems that he didn't went really deep. He didn't talk with people that has tattoos or something like that. It looks really like if he did this work from his computer. It's like the photographic references that he used for his book are all coming from Shutterstock. So, I mean, how lazy you are. But anyway, there is something that is arguable. I don't agree with a lot of stuff. This book is full of notes, really. I had a lot to write and to say about all this, but it's really important because when you face some idea that are different than yours, it's important to read that, to think about, because it's too easy to say, oh, that's bullshit. Yeah, why? Just ask yourself why you disagree and try to create your own theory or do your own research and so on. And so yeah, but anyway, I didn't like it very much, but I think that's anyway an important book. I hope for you that maybe someone will translate this book, because anyway, there's something interesting in it. And in one of the most interesting part that I found in this book is that he says that people are getting tattooed just for the idea, not just for the idea, but for the idea to have a tattoo, and overall to have the chance to talk with other people about their tattoo and explain to others the meaning that they decided to give to their tattoos. And I think that he nailed it, because if you think about people, there are many people that have a tattoo and they really want to tell you what kind of meaning their tattoo have. And it's something like, I don't know, sometimes when I think about that, it's like thinking about contemporary art. There are many art pieces that when you look at them, you think, what the crap is that? But then someone comes to you and they explain you what it means. And maybe they spend half an hour, or even more explaining you the meaning behind that art piece. And then you think, oh, how ignorant I was. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, maybe. But if you need to spend about 1 hour or two to explain me the meaning of an art piece, well, write a book. I mean, but anyway, apart from that, that's an interesting book. And I think that I got a lot of inspiration to do more videos thanks to this book. So see you next time.